Check it out, boys. Lesson, pal. Laying out like a high school fist fight, buddy. We're gonna want to center this batten with the center of our peak. So you can use a laser, use a level, chalk line, whatever it takes. Get yourself a nice straight line down the wall, right from the peak to the bottom. Call it tits to taint, pal. Screw a scrap on there so your line is at the center of a batten. Then you can measure back to a corner. In this case, we got our F and J that we put together here. Smooth as a crazy carpet for our stone to tie in. So then we can measure back to a corner, in this case the J. We're going to mark that every 7. So there's a fully 14, there's another fully. So I know now 1, 2, 2 3/4. That's going to be the piece that we need for the start in order to make this batten centered out here, pal. We can put this piece in the break. Use our Van Mark trim cutter to cut this. It's going to give us a cleaner edge than Mr. Clean's forehead, pal. Nice clean edge on that cold siding, boys. Line this edge up for my 5/8 hem, pal. We're going to bring this around slow cooker like a Sunday brisket, buddy. Bend this one a little past because you're going to get some spring. Get a crease in it. Got that crisp 90 on her. So we'll pop her back in here into place. Boom. Clicks right in. Keeps it tight. She's not going to be jumping around on you, pal. Like a California diver, buddy. Carry on.